What happens right after you file for divorce in Utah? If you've just filed for divorce, or if you've just been served with a divorce petition or complaint, it's normal to feel like something urgent should be happening right away in court. In reality, the early phase of a Utah divorce is often quiet. That doesn't mean your case is stalled, and it doesn't mean something has gone wrong. When a divorce case is opened, a few things typically happen behind the scenes. First, the court issues what is called the Automatic Domestic Relations Injunction, or DRI. The DRI is not a punishment, and it doesn't mean the court thinks someone did something wrong. It's meant to preserve the status quo, like finances, insurance, property, while the case is pending. Second, there is usually a waiting period before the court takes any action. Judges don't immediately schedule hearings the minute a petition, complaint, or motion is filed just because they were filed. Most early work happens through paperwork, disclosures, and attorney communications, and there is a lot of that in the initial phases of a divorce case. Third, and this surprises a lot of people, silence from the court is normal. Courts have heavy calendars, and many divorce cases don't require immediate court involvement. No news is often just that, no news. What matters most in this phase is that deadlines are tracked, required documents are fully and accurately prepared and exchanged, and nothing is done that later creates unnecessary problems. That's why the early stage often feels boring, and boring in divorce is usually a good thing. Trust me, an exciting divorce is an exhausting one. If your case involves urgent safety or custody issues, those are handled through separate motions and procedures that are designed to respond quickly to emergencies. But for most people, the first few weeks of the case are about taking action outside of the courtroom and working on paperwork.